Imagine Jean, a young man like so many in Haiti. 24 years old, just like the median age of the entire country. They are resourceful, full of potential, but like 89% of their peers, they never had a bank account. But in his hand, like 90% of Haitians, he holds a smartphone, and with it, the promise of something new, Captain Haiti tokens. Jean learns that with this token, he can protect himself from the gang of his neighborhood by making secure and anonymous transactions. He could also protect the money received from his family in the US from 49% inflation. Better yet, he could earn it as a reward for cleaning up his community. Now, imagine just 1% of Haiti's population, 120,000 people like Jean, doing the same, using the Captain Haiti token for just 5% of their annual spending, around $85 each. It may seem small, but together, it adds up to $10.2 million flowing through their local businesses, supporting Haitian farmers, and building a sustainable economy, a more resilient Haiti. This is more than just a digital asset, it's a movement. With 1% adoption, the Captain Haiti token could generate $10.2 million in transactions. Imagine if that adoption grew to 5% or even 10%. We're talking about an economic impact of up to $102 million. That's the market opportunity, an untapped demography of 12 million people that could transform the value of any digital asset like the Captain Haiti tokens. The Captain Haiti token isn't just about transactions. Don't miss out on a share of Haiti's $54 billion GDP, driven by millennials like Jean and the mineral-rich lands of Haiti. Be invested in Jean winning. Starts now with the Captain Haiti DAO.